Hey y'all, it's Tanya from her workshop. Today what we're going to do in the shop is make a little palm router jig so that I can make mortises and make some slots and do some edging. So I don't normally use my router a lot, but I figure it's about time I try to learn how to use this tool. Basically all you need is your base, bolts, washers, butterfly screw, butterfly flange, your router, plate, and a long enough piece of wood that you can make your runners on the side with. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut our base to size. And I want it to be 12 inches long. And of course our wood is 8.5 inches wide. Now that we have our board cut to length, let's find the center, and what I'm going to do, make a mark. And let us double check. Let's figure out how long we want our runners to be. I want mine to span the entire room. And I have one on that side and one on that side. All right, now this is how these runners are going to sit here. Now, y'all, the next thing we need to do is take this base plate off of here. We're going to remove that. And it's just held in with these screws here. So we just want to take those out. Now, we're going to use our center point that we found earlier. And we're just going to put this in as best as you can get it. And then what we're going to do is mark where our holes are. And we're going to drive. What I like to do is take a punch. So that my drill bit won't skip around. I use a 1 1/8. And I like to stop and turn it over. Okay, so using a scrap piece of wood, you want to clamp your workpiece down in a manner so that you will be able to use your drill to drill out these holes that you've marked previously. Now the screws that we're going to be using, this is the size, and I've tried to match my drill bit up with these as best I can. I don't know if you can see that. And what I'm going to do is just drill straight through. Now we want to countersink those holes that we just drilled so that this screw can go up into that countersink and through the top and screw into the base of the palm router. And the way I'm going to do that, y'all, is because it's trying to match up this screw with the diameter of this drill bit. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of tape here so I can mark how deep I want my bit to go into the wood. Let's mark now for our guide slots. And what I want to do is have them 1 inch up. So I marked the area 1.5 inches in and still 1 inch up. So 1 inch up and 1.5 inches in. And that's why I'll drill my holes. I have matched these two together. Now let's drill the holes for our runners. I'm gonna line this up directly up under there. Make sure it's square. I'll be drilling a recess so that that can sit down there and I'll have room for it to come through. Now we're going to attach the base to the router. So just line it up here on the edge. Bring this one to this edge. So there's a nice tight fit. I'm gonna lower my bit a little teeny tiny bit. not the best, but with a little practice, I believe I will get better. These are some that I made yesterday. I've just lowered the bit. Now, how cool is that? All right, y'all, for this one, I'm just gonna put a little groove right here on the edge. I don't really need this one. I just need this one back here. How cool is that? Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video with anybody that you think might benefit from it. I do appreciate it.